Soalan 11. ZAS. Okey murid-murid, kita dah masuk dah bahagian probability. Okay, the probability that a student cycling to school is P. A sample of 5 pupils is randomly selected from the school. Alright, if the probability of all students cycling to school is 0.07776, find the value of P. Okay, darling. So, kita keluarkan take out all the information given. Alright, okay. P equal P, but kita tak tahu what's Q. Alright, but the N is 5. Kalau dia kata all students cycling, that mean P X equal 5. Kita keluarkan ni semua maklumat. The yellow one is yang warna hitam ni yang cikgu keluarkan. So the formula is 5Q, 5C5, P power of 5, but we don't have the value of Q. But we have to remind about the concept of P and Q. Okay, Q is 1 minus P. So we can replace Q as 1 minus P. Macam tu kena ingat. Alright, so kita boleh pilih, kita boleh simplify lah. 5C5, 1. Okay, P power of 5. And then 5 minus 5 is 0. So any number, any letter power of 0, we can get 1. So we can simplify for the left hand side. We can get P power of 5 equal 0.077. Ni cikgu tertinggal ni. 7.776. Tertinggal satu kat sini. Cik baik perasan. Dekat sini ada lagi satu 6 ni. Sekejap. Cikgu ambil pen cikgu. Sini sebenarnya ada lagi satu 7. Ada lagi satu 7. Okay, jadi kita square root lah. Root of 5, cikgu dapat 0.6. Alright. Alright, next. Okay, calculate the mean. Okay, what the formula of mean? Mean is NP. We already get the value of N and P. Just substitute in the formula. ZAS. Okay, sungguh mudah. Alright. Okay, for the C. Alright, find the probability that more than 3 students cycle to school. Okay, so what the clue from this question? The clue is, alright, so sebelum ni cikgu dah dapat P kan, cikgu keluarkan Q dulu, 0.4. Okay, the clue is not more than 3. Okay, sorry, bukan not more than 3. More than 3, that means more than 3. Okay, state what the number more than 3. Okay, the maximum number must be 5. So, 4 and 5. So, the probability that more than 3, that means, kena tunjuk ni, probability X more than 3 equal, okay, probability X equal 4 plus probability X equal 5. So that we have to substitute NPQ in the two formula when X equal 4 and when X equal 5. Okay, equal 5 tak payah cari. Memang kita dah bagi dah kan kat soalan. So kita cari ni sahaja. Kira dengan hati-hati. Kita akan dapat 0.3370. Yes, ZAS. Okay, macam ni. The score of 150 student is normally distributed with mean 52 marks and a standard deviation of 30 marks. If a passing score is at least 40 marks, determine the number of student who fail. Okay, kalau kat sini, tadi probability binomial. Tapi sekarang kita dah masuk normal. Okay, kat sini sebenarnya agak complicated lah. Jadi cikgu nak terangkan sahaja dulu. Mean dia dah bagi. Standard deviation dia dah bagi. Okay, so so dekat sini dia dah bagi passing score is at least 40. Kita nak tahu siapa yang fail. Okay, determine the number of student are fail. Alright, so okay, kita kena buat lah. Kita nak cari dulu probability yang fail. Baru kita tahu siapa yang fail. So, okay, convert X score to the Z score. Okay, to the Z score. Okay, what the formula Z score? X minus mean divided by standard deviation. Ni kena tunjuk ni bentuk ni, kena tunjuk. And then, okay, kita akan dapat 0.4. Okay, by use, kalau cikgu suka sketch dulu. Oh, negative 0.4 less than, that mean we shaded to the left hand side for the line negative 0.4. So we have to find the area of shaded region based on your normal distributed table. Okay, dekat sini ya, 0.3446. Alright. Okay, so dekat sini you punya area. Okay, this is the probability untuk fail less than 40. So how to find the number of fail? Okay, so kita kena carilah the number of student must multiply with the probability. Alright, multiply kita akan dapat 51.69. Okay, so sekarang kita nak pilih 52 ataupun 51. Okay, sekarang ni ada bilangan orang. Jadi 41.69 kita cannot apa kita panggil ni, round off to 2 sebab tak cukup orang lagi. Sebab 51 pun lebih je, bukan 52. Okay, jadi kita pilihlah jawapannya adalah 51. Soalan 12.